Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am here with another little vlog for you guys. So I have been saying for weeks now that we are gonna do spring cleaning. I say this like every weekend. I'm like, all right, this is gonna be the weekend. I know it. Like I never want to do anything during the week because I just don't have that much free time after work. And then the weekend comes and I basically find anything else that's more fun than cleaning and do that instead. So it's finally happening. This weekend, spring cleaning is happening. I figured I'll kind of start and just go in like a circle of the whole apartment, start in the entryway, work down the hallway, back into the living room, back into the bedroom, all that. So hopefully we can do all this today. Although it's like 4 o'clock already today and I just got out of work, so I don't have that much energy. So maybe like a room or two. All right, let me show you the apartment beforehand. So the entryway really like is not that dirty. I just gotta like reorganize some shoes because they're all on the floor. But other than that, I mean, I really just have to like sweep, which that isn't too bad. This is the other hallway. It's really not bad. The bathroom I actually like half cleaned yesterday, so I think I just need to like clean the mirror and the counters. That shouldn't be too bad. The office needs a little bit of cleaning. So honestly, the apartment's not in terrible shape. I mean, I'm a mess, obviously. I need to reorganize like everything, but I really just need to reorganize and then clean up the counters, and that's really it. So I'm hoping it's not too bad, but let's get started with the closet and the entryway. All right, so the shoes are all nice and organized now. I think that looks good. Even swept a little bit underneath where they are. I think I'm just gonna finish sweeping this area and then I think I can call this done. Well, not all of this, the entryway. Oh, the door closes. Lately, the door hasn't even been closing because I had so much stuff. All right, you know we're serious because the hair's up in a messy bun. The entryway is all set, and that is the quickest thing I think we'll clean today. Now, onto the rest of the hallways leading in to then the bathroom and the office. Okay, bathroom looks much better now. I got to clean using my gloves. It's just good to protect your hands from all the harsh chemicals and the cleaning stuff. Okay, so I cleaned the toilet yesterday, I think. And I think I'm just gonna like wipe down all the floors with like a rag. Cause like, I'll show you guys, look. You can kind of see there's just like, this is literally just like stains from water that falls from the sink. Also, does anyone know how to fix this? Do you like see these lines kind of on the wall? It's because the towel to dry your hands is right above it, so the water falls off and drips down and then leaves stains here. But like, how do I fix it on the wall? Can't really see from far away, but you can see like the lines up close. Does anyone know how to fix that? Cause help a girl out if you do. I just accidentally knocked this out of the wall. I can't really get it to stick on all the way. Well, whatever. Okay, so to try to get these stripes off the wall, I'm just wiping it with plain water, but it's really not doing anything. Oh well, just gonna leave it as it is, I guess. All right, well, this bathroom is nice and clean now, minus the crooked door stopper that fell off. Now onto the office. Okay, so cleaning is going well-ish. Just took a short 30-minute break on the couch because I just got bored of cleaning, but we're back. So hallway's clean, laundry room area is clean, the bathroom's cleaned. The office hasn't been cleaned yet because now Michael's home and he's playing games, so I don't want to interrupt him. So I'm gonna clean up the living room area. Just need to like put away these games and just like basically generally tidy up this area. There's a bunch of like blankets on the floor, there's game stuff on the floor, table needs to be cleaned. We're just gonna clean this area up. Okay, so I don't know what to do about this like end table because as you could see, it's kind of a mess. We have pillows on here, we have pictures, a bunch of magazines, like random camera stuff, laptop stuff. So it's kind of like our throw everything here table. Just a bunch of video game cords, video game stuff underneath. So I just don't know like a good way to organize this. So cables can go in the drawer, I guess. And then all this stuff, I'll just ask Michael where he wants the boxes. You know, just defer it to someone else. Okay, so fast forward a little bit of time. It is now Sunday. Right after I cleaned up the living room Friday, I ended up having a friend come over and then spend Saturday all day out with friends. So I am finally here and ready to finish cleaning now that it's Sunday. So, okay, I'm gonna show you guys actually what I got at Target because I got some new totes and organizers to help organize stuff. So let me show you that. First thing I got is boring, but I just got a new wastebasket for our recycling stuff. It's 6 gallons and the one we have now is like for like bathrooms, so it's really small, so our recycling fills up wicked fast. So just got this. And then I got the Target brand, like the Room Essentials storage bin. And it is the one that says fits in 11-inch cube organizers. And I just got it in the pink color to hold all my Mickey Mouse ears on my shelf. Oh, just got some dusting cloths now that I've been doing lots of cleaning to dust everything. And then I got this 2-pack of 12-quart containers. So I currently keep all of my craft supplies in a shoebox that's like literally 5 years old, that as soon as you take like the lid off, oops, the sides fall off and everything falls out. So I figured I'd put stuff in one of these and in the other just put some like important papers. I got these two. These are pretty big. They're 13-inch cubes. They're like the Target fancier brand, the Threshold. And I got these to store like stuff in the closet because I have shelves. I'll show you guys in a little bit when I organize my room. And then I got this purple one because it's my favorite color to hold actually all my bathing suits. And I got the one that had the lid because in the winter when I want to store them, put them away, I can stack this on top of other boxes. So that's all the containers I got. Now, the living room is mostly clean, but I think the only thing left to do is like clean up the shelf behind me. So let's do that. So as it is right now, we moved all the music stuff from that corner to here when we were watching my sister's bird a few weeks ago, but now I think we're gonna move it back. Alright, I'll let Michael reorganize that, but now it's over here under our little guitar portrait. It's like the flag, but with all guitar stuff, so it's a good place for the music stuff. So now this corner is all empty. This we're gonna hang up. I've used it, but I'm afraid it's like too heavy. Oh, actually it's not that heavy, but I don't know. I get worried that it's like too heavy for the small nails we have, but I think it'll be fine. And then now this is all organized. And then over here, I actually can put my bags under the shelf now, which is nice. And then this is Michael's side. Now he looks like the messy one. Normally I'm the messy one. But I just have a few items over here that I kind of want to keep here because I kind of grab and go. So I'll keep that there. And now I think we're gonna go clean the bedroom. Okay, so we're in the bedroom now. And I actually did a little bit of cleaning the other day of the dresser, but otherwise, just needs a little bit of cleaning. Like, I think if I put 10-15 minutes, it'll look so much better. So this is the dresser. It actually is pretty organized right now. I think it just needs a dusting, so just use one of my new, oh, that looks nice. My duster cloths and just run it all over. This is kind of like by my bed. It's a mess. So I just need to like pick up all the stuff. And then this pile of clothes, actually, clothes like bathing suits and stuff, is I think gonna like either be donated or Poshmark. So if you guys are interested, I'll link my Poshmark down below. This like isn't sponsored. I just use it every now and then. And I actually just bought some stuff the other day off Poshmark, so that's exciting. But yeah, this all needs to be cleaned up. And then this is the real mess. All this. Kind of just throw stuff over here, so need to get that cleaned up. First, let's do the actual bedroom. Alright, this is looking much better. I can actually walk. Alright, well, it doesn't look like a huge improvement, but for my part of the closet, it really is. I have all my clothes here, organized by long sleeves, tank tops, and then short sleeves. I have all my scarves hanging. I got, okay, so I got those two super cute bins from Target, but they were too big for the shelf. So I went and returned them and got this one smaller one. And I think I might get a second one. I put all my extra pants, so now I cleaned up all this space here, and all my clothes here are organized. My shelf up there, things aren't falling anymore. And then this little part is organized. So for my part of the closet, it's looking really good. And then this whole pile, I actually just posted all this stuff for sale on Poshmark. Some dresses, a dress, bunch of bathing suit tops, bandeaus, this really cute shirt, this skirt. My Poshmark is, I'll link it down below, but it's MKPLAK. So you guys can go ahead and shop there. Alright everyone, so the bedroom is clean. It's now actually the next day because I was waiting to get a vacuum from my sister because she has a much better vacuum than we do. And that's really the only big thing we have left. So in the meantime though, I ended up cleaning up the office. So let me show you. So this is my little desk area, and I organized all my stuff down here. I have like my ring light. I actually have space here now. How nice. I cleared this space up, and I probably will clean it up a little more. I just have like headphones and a to-do list, and then my Disney pins, which I probably should hang up actually, but I kind of just keep them in here. And then some stationery supplies all over here. My super cute Bibbidi Bobbidi Brooke. This is actually from her like princess box. Love this. I actually have the keychain hanging up here. Now I have all this area free, which is really nice. So I think the only thing left to do in here is to vacuum it up. The bedroom's all clean now, as I showed you guys the other day. The closet's organized. The bathroom's all cleaned up. The office is all cleaned up. The laundry room's all cleaned up. The hallways and front closet, which are the first thing I did, are all clean and they've been swept and everything. What else? Oh, the living room here is all organized, and the kitchen behind me, I actually swept the floors last night and cleaned off the countertops. So today I think I just need to clean off the island to put away all the dishes, and then just vacuum the entire apartment, and then I think we're done, which would be really, really good. So I am excited. on. The kitchen is all cleaned up. All the floors have been swept and vacuumed. Everything is looking really good. Thank you so much for joining me on what turned out to be a multi-day spring cleaning vlog, but hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!